Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Rajeshwari. Today, my seminar topic is General View of Immune System. Number 1, Immune System. Innate immunity versus adaptive defenses. Innate non-specific defenses. First line of defenses, physical barriers, and second line of defense, major cellular components, phagocytes, basophils, and eosinophils, NK cells, chemical signals, and complement proteins and inflammation. Why do we need an immune system? Pathogens are microscopic organisms that that cause diseases, each attacked in a specific way. Bacteria, fungi, parasite, and protozoans. Other environmental substances challenges the lymphatic system. Environmental pathogens are poison, UV, etc. Toxins, not metals, joint transplant. The immune system is coupled with the lymphatic system. Where and how do we defend against disease pathogens? Immunity. Immunity is the ability to resist infection and disease. Many body cells issues are involved in the implementation of immunity. Innate immunity, non-specific defenses, can involve the epithelium on the body surface or occur in connective tissue in the GI system and or may involve a cellular respond immediately to many different harmful agents. Do not require previous exposure to foreign substances. Adaptive defenses. Lymphocytes, BTMUK, are major players in the immune response, but other cells participate in the innate system. Work cooperatively, identifies attacks and difference and immunity. Overview of immune system. Immune system. Innate immunity, adaptive immunity. Innate immunity responds to wide array of substance. Adaptive immunity delayed response to specific antigen. Innate specific, non-specific. First line of defense, physical barriers. Skin and mucosal barrier. Keep hazardous materials outside the body. Second line of defense, phagocytes, neutrophils, and macrophages. Immunological surveillance, natural killer cells. Interference, chemical interference, complements, and inflammation. Inflammation triggers a complex inflammatory response limiting the spread of infection. Fever, a high body temperature which increases by body metabolism, accelerates defense and accelerates by defense. Physical barriers, outer layer of skin, hair, epithelial layers of internal phages by dermis. Secretions, that fluids away material. Sweat glands, lacrimal glands, mucus, and urine. Secretion, that kill or inhibit macroorganisms, enzymes, antibodies, IgA, and tears. And stomach acid, direction of secretion. Phagocytes, engulf a bacteria, release toxic chemicals, and present antigen. Originally white blood cells, they migrate into connective tissue that clean up phagocytes, debris, and digestive via lysosomes. Neutrophils enter first, then macrophages. Eosinophils involved with parasites, infection, and antibodies. Basophils opens up vessels and increase blood flow. How do phagocytes invade the area of infection injury? Inflammatory factors released by most cells, etc. Vasodilation, capillaries become permeable. Imagination, white blood cells slow down and ligation on the vessel wall. Immunological surveillance center cells recognizes healthy cells and granzyme programmed cell death via gene expression. Interference signaling molecules released by viral infected cells. Binds receptor of neighboring cells, promotes macrophage function and apoptosis of infected cell triggers synthesis of enzymes destroying viral RNA or DNA, triggers synthesis of enzymes that inhibit viral complement proteins, obsession, inflammation, cytosine, innate immunity, inflammation, redness, heat, swelling, pain, loss of function, acute inflammatory response. Innate immunity, inflammation, immediate local non-specific response. First step chemicals like histamine, leukotrienes, and chemotactics factors release. Second step response in blood vessels. Third step in leukocytes. Neutrophils, eosinophils, macrophages clean up area. Inflammation. Innate immunity, fever. Abnormal elevation of body temperature at least 1 degree Celsius from normal 37 degrees Celsius may accompany inflammatory response due to excess fluid loss, so require increased fluid intake to prevent dehydration. Events of fever result from release of pyrogens such as interleukins, interference toxins from infectious agents, drug reactions, toxins, brain tumors, pyrogens released and circulate through the body. Innate fever. Benefits of fever: inhibit reproduction of bacteria and viruses, increase activity of adaptive immunity, accelerates tissue repair. Risk of high fever: significant above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. High fever is potentially dangerous above 103 degrees Celsius in children. Changes in metabolic pathways and denaturation of proteins. Summary of innate lymph node system. Barriers: epithelium, secretion, fluid flow, cells, phagocytes, central cells, chemical signals, interference, complete proteins, inflammatory mediators, pyrogens. For fever, non-specific because each process works no matter what the problem is on the evolutionary basis, and the innate mechanism was present prior to the development of lymphocytes and the adaptive process. Thank you, ma'am.